The political arena in India is very uneven. There are two sets of political parties which can be differentiated by a single factor. That factor is the Muslim votes. There is first set of political party who does not care about the Muslim votes, who does not get the Muslim votes, who does not seek the Muslim votes, and who does not even genuinely try to get the Muslim votes. And BJP is the only party in this category. Some of you would say Shiv Sena is also that party, but it is not a major political force, it is just a regional party. BJP is the only party which fits into this category. And the another category is the opposition parties, or the parties who try to get the Muslim votes, who see Muslims as their voters. And most of the opposition, no, I should not say most of the parties, all of the opposition parties seek the Muslim votes. You can say Congress, you can say Samajwadi Party, BSP, RJD, TMC, NCP, DMK, all the opposition parties seek the Muslim votes. And not only the opposition parties, even some of the allies of the BJP, like the LJP and the TDP, they are also dependent on the Muslim votes. BJP is the only party who does not care about the Muslim votes. So therefore, if two political parties are fighting against each other, if one opposition party is fighting with the BJP, so it's clear that the core Hindu voter will be voting for the BJP and the Muslim voter will be voting for the opposite political party. But if the fight becomes trilateral or quadrilateral, then the appearance of the other political party will definitely make a dent in the vote bank of the opposition parties. This is how it is. Take for example, like Samajwadi Party is fighting the BJP in the UP. If Mayawati becomes active, then she is going to make a dent in the vote bank of the Samajwadi Party, not of the BJP. And if Congress becomes active, it is going to make a dent in the vote bank of the Samajwadi Party, not of the BJP. There is no political party in India that makes a dent in the core Hindu vote of the BJP. Only opposition parties make dents in the vote bank of each others. Therefore, I think that there is a need of India Alliance to survive more than ever. India Alliance needs to survive. India Alliance needs to alive. They need to stick together to beat the BJP.